Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and in this case study and demo video, I'm going to be sharing with you the most powerful way for you to get your niche sites and videos on the first page of Google and YouTube so you can capitalize on the best kind of traffic you can ever get, which is search traffic. There's no traffic source on the internet that is better than someone going to Google or YouTube, typing in a keyword, and landing on your content. There's nothing more powerful than that. And I'm also going to share with you how my proven 3-in-1 web app gets you those fast page one rankings that stick for the long term via the power of quality and fully automatic social syndication to over 25 authority sites. And it works for any niche, any location, any language, and it doesn't matter if you have any previous experience or not. We've simplified the entire process of getting free traffic from Google and YouTube. Our platform comes built in with automated account creation with no proxies or captchas needed, automated content generation for any niche, any keyword, or any industry, automated social syndication for any URL you want traffic for to over 25 authority sites, and much, much more. You're getting 3 quality platforms packed into one amazing offer for maximum page one domination. But before I jump into this case study and demo video, I'm going to be showing you just a few of my own results from multiple different scenarios so you can truly see that you can use our platform to get traffic for anything you're doing online. Plus, either on this page or on the order page, you're going to see a ton of real testimonials from actual users that have been getting some incredible results with our platform over the years. You're going to be able to see Gabriel's video and see how he's ranked over 70 videos and counting. You're going to be able to see David's video, and you're going to be able to see Randy's video as well, who's going to show how he ranked just one piece of content with one set of social syndication on the first page of Google. And he actually shows that in his video. Plus, we're going to have a ton of other real testimonials that you'll be able to see on either this page or the order page. Okay, so again, before I jump into the demo video, let me quickly just show you a few of the rankings that I've been able to get recently and in the past, so you can see that this truly works for every type of scenario that you're looking to go after. Okay, if you want to get more traffic from Google and YouTube, you are watching the right video and you're on the right page. So this is a brand new campaign that I just put up. You can see 5 hours ago, and I was able to skyrocket to the first spot here for this video, and this is a Launch Jack campaign. Here is another Launch Jack video that I ranked a couple of months ago, and this is actually for a high ticket product that pays me over $300 per sale, plus a recurring fee as well of about $20 to $30 per month with this offer. Okay, and this is actually an evergreen high ticket offer, so I'll be making sales for this for quite a long time. Here is a campaign that I actually ranked back in 2016, and it's still ranking to this day. This is for a very particular set of lures in the fishing niche that target a very specific type of fish, and it is a high ticket product as well. Here is some local rankings in the Spanish niche for the city that I live in, which is Miami. So this is translated into English, pretty much the best pediatrician in Miami. Okay, so this is targeting parents that are looking for pediatricians, and you can see my video ranking here on the first page of Google. Okay, and here is another variation of that keyword, same thing, pretty much a Spanish keyword for people here in Miami, and Miami is mostly a Spanish speaking city. So you can see here a different variation targeting a specific zip code, and you can see the local rankings here, and then boom, my video ranking right there. And this is not even a video. Okay, this is a live event, which is another powerful strategy that you can use in conjunction with social syndication to get some quick rankings. And you can see there my video ranking just below the local pack, local 3-pack as they call it. And here is yet another set of local rankings for a very ugly niche site. It's pretty much an ugly demo niche site that I put together. So I put very little effort into it, and you can see here I have 2 page one rankings for this particular niche site, and if I change it to, let's do Orlando, this site is actually dominating in multiple different cities, multiple different zip codes all across Florida. And you can see here it goes again, 2 page one rankings, and again for just about every city and every zip code from mid Florida to South Florida, this site is ranking. And again, very ugly site. put very little effort into it, and it's just the power of social syndication that has not only allowed me to get these rankings quickly, but for the long term. Okay, so let's go ahead and now switch over to the demo video so I can show you exactly how easy and how simple it's going to be for you to be able to get these kind of results as well. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this, and let me show you how simple it's going to be for you to come in here and start dominating the first page of Google and YouTube by leveraging the power of fully automated social syndication. Okay, and we have simplified this into 3 simple steps so that absolutely anyone, regardless of experience, can start using this to rank their content on Google and YouTube, and whether it's your content or your client's content. Okay, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the 3 steps that we have created that anyone can follow to accomplish those results that I just shared with you earlier in the video. Okay, and again, we've broken it down into 3 simple steps, and I'm going to walk you through each one of those here in this video. The first step is our automatic account creator, which will automatically create your account without you having to pay for any proxies or any captchas. We take care of that for you in the background. I'm also going to walk you through SynLab, which is where your automatic content generation is going to happen, and also your automatic content syndication is going to happen as well. Okay, because our content engine is already built into SynLab. So let me go ahead and walk you through how simple this is going to be. Okay, so inside of SyndCreator, to create a new batch of accounts, all you have to do is come up here and hit the plus sign, and we've broken it down into 5 simple steps. Okay, and literally all you have to do is just fill out the boxes, check some boxes, and you're good to go. So the first step is to name the account. So depending on whether you are using this for yourself, for your clients, for different niches, whatever it may be, that's what you are going to name here. Okay, so let's say that I'm using this for an attorney. I'm going to go ahead and name this Attorney Joe. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. The next step is to select the sites that you want SyndCreator to create accounts on for you, and we've broken it down into the different types. So we have blog sites in here, we have bookmarking sites in here, we have PDF sites, photo sites, social sites, and video sites. Okay, so you can see we have a great variety of different type of sites so that you can get a good variety of syndication, which is what Google likes. Okay, so for the purpose of this demo video, I'm just going to go ahead and select all of the bookmarking sites, and let's just say that I'm going to be running a social bookmarking campaign. I'm going to go ahead and click next, and then the next step is to create a profile or load a previously saved profile. If it's your first time running a campaign, you're obviously not going to have any saved profiles in here. I do, so I'm going to go ahead and load one of these that I have. Okay, and if you don't have any, then you're just going to fill out these boxes here so that SyndCreator knows what to use when it's out there creating the accounts for you. And here's where you select the option to save it so that you can use it later on if you're going to be creating more accounts with that profile. From that point, I'm going to go ahead and click next. And now I'm going to go ahead and input the mail settings. Okay, now the mail settings is what's going to be used to actually create the accounts. Okay, because you do need an email account for SyndCreator to go ahead and create these for you. Okay, we are working on an update where you won't have to input this at all, and we're going to take care of this for you as well. But for now, you do have to input this, and it's literally just filling out these 4 boxes. And if you're going to be using Gmail, then we do have instructions right here that walk you through exactly how to find the information that we are asking for, right? So that has been inputted there. And again, here is where you can save that account to be used in the future. Because if you remember, I'm only going to be doing bookmarking sites. So if later on in the future, I want to use this same mail information for other types of sites, I can go ahead and save it, and it'll be here as one of these saved accounts that I can use in the future. And you can see everything is looking good. So I can go ahead and hit next. And now is where you enter your SynLab details so that once SyndCreator is done creating the accounts, it's going to automatically send it to your SynLab account so you can start syndicating to those accounts right away. I'm going to go ahead and load a saved profile that I have. Okay. And here you can also select for your accounts to be put into a specific group that you already have in your account if you want to do that. instead, okay? And again, you can always save this account for future use if you're gonna be using multiple SynLab accounts. And then from this point, all you have to do is click start, and SyndCreator is gonna get to work and start creating accounts on these different sites for you. And as it progresses, it's going to share with you what's going on, okay? So if it's waiting, if it's processing, if there's a verification error for some reason, because some sites may require a manual verification, if there's some type of error, or if there was a success, okay? So once this is done, it's going to be, again, automatically sent to your SynLab account. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to come inside of SynLab and start creating campaigns that you can go ahead and syndicate to. Okay, and creating a campaign in SynLab is just as easy as creating a campaign inside of SyndCreator. So I'm not going to show you the accounts or the accounts group in this video, because again, SyndCreator takes care of that for you. So I'm going to jump directly into the campaigns tab. But before I actually do that, one thing I want to show you as well, you will be able to download your created accounts as well. So you can use SyndCreator just to create accounts, and you can even sell these accounts, or you can use them on different platforms or whatever it may be. Once the accounts are created, you can use them however you'd like and click this button to download them, okay? So let me go back to SynLab, and to create a campaign, I'm going to come here, click add campaign. I'm going to go ahead and name this demo video. I'm going to select accounts group. I'm going to go ahead and use this one, which is one of the accounts that I had previously. I'm not going to drip feed any of this, but you do have the option to drip feed by day, by total days, or by a limit of weeks, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click create, click OK. And now here is where you're going to enter the content that's going to be used for the URL that you're going to be syndicating, okay? So if I click this plus sign here, okay, normally you would have to write this out manually, okay? The social editor, which is the content that's going to go out onto your social sites, the blog editor, which is the content that's going to go out to your blogging sites, and the bookmarking editor, which is going to go out to the bookmarking sites, okay? Now, these are the three types of sites that are inside of this particular group, okay? You can see that I created social and blog sites on here. But you can see here we have a content generator, okay? And all you have to do is select the niche that you want content for. And you can see we have tons of niches. We're going to have just about every niche that you can think of in here. I'm going to go ahead and roll up here and just put affiliate marketing. And then from here, you have three options. You can choose none, which is going to return a full article with no modifications. You can use paragraph, which is going to take random paragraphs from different articles and mix them together to form a new article. And then you're going to be able to do it by sentence, which is going to take random sentences from different articles and mix them together to form a new article. So obviously, the deeper into this you go, the more unique that article is going to continue to get. So I'm going to go ahead and click by sentence. And then here you can see this is the social generator. So I'm going to click generate. And you can see not only does it bring back a content, but it also brings back a relevant image. I'm going to go ahead and click generate for the blog section as well. And you can see it loaded up some nice content there with a relevant video and a relevant image. And for the bookmarking sites, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. And you can see it loaded up a relevant content and a relevant image. And then all you have to do is click save content. And you can see it was automatically populated into each of these boxes. So literally I have done no manual work, but just filling out boxes, filling out information, and letting SynLab and SyndCreator do everything for me, okay? Now from this point, obviously here in the social editor, you're gonna wanna input the link that you want to go out. So this is pretty much the URL that you are trying to rank. So you definitely wanna be adding that. Same with the blog editor. You're gonna wanna make sure that you are adding your backlinks so that you can get that with your content. And here, you want to make sure that if you're trying to rank a video that you replace the video embed code with your actual video embed code if you are wanting to get both backlinks to a niche site and embeds to a video. And using the video embed option is very powerful to ranking videos as well. So again, this is something that was generated automatically, but if you do have a relevant video that you want to rank, you want to make sure you have that in here. And under the bookmarking, you also want to make sure that you have your URL right there, which is the URL that you want to get traffic for. And that is it. From this point forward, you can either preview it or you can just go ahead and click save, and SynLab is going to automatically start syndicating that content with your money sites right away. And you can see here, campaign in progress. And from there, you're good to go. We have now created a campaign from start to finish. SyndCreator is creating the accounts. It sent them to SynLab. And then I went ahead and created a campaign, added content to it, and set my settings for it to start going out. Okay, literally it's that simple to come in here and start using SyndTrio to dominate the first page of Google and YouTube completely hands-free. You can see there is nothing that I showed you in this video that you can't do. All you have to do is come into SyndCreator, fill out those boxes. Once those campaigns are created and sent to SynLab, you create your campaign, you select that group of accounts that was just created, and then from there you load the content, and then you hit save, and that information gets sent out. So that's it. Go ahead and click the button below to go ahead and pick up your account of SyndTrio.